So for one of my classes at uni, we're making a game a week, and this week the theme is falling. So to start out, I just opened up Blender. I wanted to do a 3D game. So far during the semester I've been doing 2D games in GameMaker, but I thought, I'll do a 3D game and I'll learn Godot. So I started modeling like a hole, I guess, and then like a little basic level, which is just a block with a hole in it, because that works with the theme of falling. You just fall through the block in the level. After I did that for a bit, I opened up Godot and I dragged in the model. I haven't really used Godot before, so a lot of it was just me trying to figure out how to properly import it and then how to get collision working and stuff. You see this footage just sped up. I've just mucked around with it for a bit. We got it walking around with the character control that I learnt like the week before. I was just playing around with it for fun. Then I went back into Blender, made the hole bigger because I thought it was a bit small. I don't really know what to show, so I'm just going to sort of show it all sped up. But here was just me playing around with it. The thing I wanted to do as well was get a, like, what do you call it? Like a portal, I guess. So you loop around the world like you do in Pac-Man, but in 3D. As you can see, that look like crap. So I'll play around with it for a bit. Yeah, it looked a bit better, sort of. And then I decided to scrap it because it, I don't know, wasn't that good and it was going to take too long to figure out how to do, especially because I haven't used Godot before. So then I opened up Blender, I started making a little tree just to, decorate the scene a bit. I like to do a lot of visuals before I actually start doing a lot more other stuff, usually. So I opened up Godot here, you've got the tree. Looks pretty good. So you have a look here, I was just playing around with the grass. This is a grass texture I already made for another thing way back. I just imported it. And then after that, oh yeah, here's the grass in game. Yeah, it looks pretty good. There's the hole. So then I opened up Aspro. I just got some photo of a tree, like tree trunk. I just squished it, played around with it to make a little what do you call it? A wood texture. And then after that I got a tree, image of a tree. I just zoomed in and played around with it. Tried making a little texture out of it. Then I went back into Blender and then I UV mapped it. So then we're back in Godot, we got the tree. Oh, but it looks a bit blurry. I was like, what the hell is going on there? And I played around, turns out I just had to change the import settings. Boom, looks a lot better. And this is really exciting too because only using GameMaker for, I haven't even made a 3D game this year. So this is cool to go back into 3D, and Godot seems pretty damn cool as well. Oh yeah, and then here I was playing with a PS1 style shader, I guess, that the draw distance where it like fades in and out, whatever. I thought that looked pretty cool. And then I started playing around with the lighting. I wanted to get rid of the skybox and do my own lighting. Just like some basic crap. So I just made like a blue, well I didn't make, I just, had a blue sky. Flat colour. And then I had a breakdown. I decided I didn't want to use Godot. I don't know, it was too much for me. So I did a bunch of research on making like a pseudo 3D engine like Doom in GameMaker. So then I was like, stuff it, I'll just make a 2D game in GameMaker, stick to what I know. So, I went up, got the Mario World sprites, started snipping them around and crap. And then I went into GameMaker, just put it in GameMaker, started making a little level. I imported a bunch of code from another project, changed it around. You can see it works, but I can only jump, I can't move left and right. I was like, what the hell was going on there? I played around with it, turns out I just forgot saying the code, and then boom, you move left and right. I put two little Marios in there. You got two Marios, they can jump, we've got the animations in, they collide with each other. And then to work with the falling mechanic, I just put a bunch of Marios in a level that falls. And then I was playing around with these spikes that when you die, you can jump on your dead bodies. So to clear the level, you just have to have one Mario person make it to the end. And as I was playing with this, I kept getting Super Mario stuck there. And then I had another breakdown. I was like, freaking hell. So then I was like, I'm gonna go to sleep. Maybe I'll bloody start working on IT, maybe I'll be a tradie, who knows what I'm going to do, but I'm freaking not doing anything tomorrow. Next morning, I was listening to the Mrs. podcast while playing some games, and then that just got me super pumped up, so I was like, stuff it. Let's load up Unity, which I haven't used in about a year, and I was like, stuff it. So I imported all the models from my Godot project into Unity. And then we got some gameplay here, already up and running, pretty good. I'm surprised how much I actually remembered when using Unity, because I haven't used it in a while, but I seem to be going good. So we can walk around, boom, already looks, heaps good. Then I did a bunch more stuff. We got Ben Stiller, and he moves around. So that was my first 2 days of working on the game. This devlog's already gone for longer than I wanted it to, but that's okay, I'm learning as I go. I'm going to be doing more, but they're going to be a lot shorter and hopefully better. Cheers for watching, subscribe, smash that like button, beat the crap out of the share button, share it to all your friends, and cheers.